Konnichiwa. Hello everyone. Welcome back to your own Japanese English class. Today we are diving into the new topic that is onomatopoeia. Have you heard about this? So let's get started. Hoka hoka. Hoka hoka. It means freshly cooked food. Hoka hoka. パンがほかほかのうちに食べよう。パンがほかほかのうちで食べよう。That means let's eat the bread while it's still warm. So this is used while the food is warm. ほかほか。ほかほか。パンパン。パンパン。That means filled or bubbling. パンパン。パンパン。もう食べられないお腹がパンパンだ。もう食べられないお腹がパンパンだ。That means I can't eat anymore. My stomach is completely filled or full. So while you are full with stomach or full with lots of food, then you can use this phrase. パンパン。もてもて。もてもて。So that means it's a popular モテモテ。彼はモテモテだ。彼はモテモテだ。So this means he is very popular among girls or guys. That means popularity. It's somewhat similar to that of a yume as well. モテモテ。モテモテ。Another we have kowa gowa. Kowa gowa fearfully or nervously. 彼はコワゴワドアを開けた。彼はコワゴワドアを開けた。He timidly opened the door. He was very fear or very nervous to open the door. コワゴワ。Another we do have yochi yochi. Yochi yochi, that means small children or the small child toddling. Yochi yochi. 赤ちゃんがよちよち歩いている。赤ちゃんがよちよち歩いている。かわいいね、赤ちゃん。The baby is toddling alone. 赤ちゃんがよちよち歩いている。かわいい。Another, we do have doka doka, rushing noisily. 子供たちがドカドカと階段を降りてきた。子供たちがドカドカと階段を降りてきた。That means children came thundering down the stairs or came down making the noises. ドカドカ making the noises. へなへなへなへな That means becoming awake. 水をあげないと花がヘナヘナになってしまう。水をあげないと花がヘナヘナになってしまう。If you don't water it, the flower will get all droopy. If you don't water it, the flower will get all droopy. そうだよね。ヘナヘナになってしまうね。チャラチャラ That means flashy or soy. チャラチャラして男は好きじゃない。チャラチャラした男は好きじゃない。I don't like flashy or frivolously guys. チャラチャラ So flashy or frivolously. チカチカチカチカ means flashy or soy. チカチカチカチカ電気がチカチカしている。電気がチカチカしている。That means the light is flickering. The light is flickering. カサカサ Kasa kasa. That means rough or dry. Rough or dry. 冬になると手がカサカサになる。冬になると手がカサカサになる。In winters, my hand gets dry and rough. In winters, my hand gets dry and rough. Guzu guzu. Guzu guzu. That means slowly. Slowly, guzu guzu. ぐずぐずしていると遅刻するよ。ぐずぐずしていると遅刻するよ。If you keep dawdling, you will be late. If you keep dawdling, you will be late. ぐずぐずしないでくださいね。So guys, let's repeat it once by yourself. I hope you get some of the onomatopoeia by watching this video. So let's get started by yourself once. Thank you so much for showering lots of love, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you are expecting more videos and more fun while learning the language, please don't forget to share, subscribe, and like my videos. Bye bye. Matane.